Alright, guys, I apologize in advance. I have a dog in the background. So, today we are going to unbox my. You'll find out what's inside. So, this item has been out of stock for quite a while, and it's been out of stock since last year, since it came out. And if you know what I'm talking about, you know. So, alright, so this is the unboxing of my PlayStation 5. So, I actually got this a month ago. I haven't opened it because I've been putting it off. And actually, we went to Hawaii, and then the box arrived, and we went to Hawaii, and then I put it off from unboxing. So, but this is it. So I ordered this from PS5 Direct. It was actually when PS5 Direct had a drop. I was one of the lucky ones to access the website and place an order. This is the disc version. So let's see here. Let's make sure we take it out of the box. There it is. Oh, that thing's heavy duty. So here it is. Here's my PS5, and I ordered this from, like I said, I ordered this from PS5 Direct when they had a drop, roughly a month ago. So I was one of the lucky ones to order, and then yeah, I got the disc version. I also bought a secondary controller right here. I bought the Midnight Black version because white and black. And today we're gonna go unbox it right now. So what I'm doing right now is I'm gonna unbox the PlayStation 5. As you can see, the seal is right here and right here. So I got this PlayStation 5 from PS5 Direct when they had their drop. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go unbox it. So I have the knife right here when I'm unboxing. So first seal is unsealed, so we're gonna go unsealed the second one. There it is. Alright, so seals have been broken. There you go. Alright, so we're back. So this is took a while to take it out of the original box, and then the second box. Now we have another box to unbox. So far, the boxes how PlayStation or Sony box the PlayStation 5. I commend you for ensuring the safety of the hardware, because after all, this is the next generation console. So, all right. So what's inside? And see. Let's see what they have. All right. So let's follow the directions here. So pull the thing. Okay, I think this is the peripherals and accessories, and take out the system. Ooh, okay, that's the side of the box, and then the second one. Ooh, okay. Alright, so we're gonna have to put these boxes inside the boxes. Okay, so we'll start with the accessories first. Okay, so let's talk about games. So I only have one game that I bought last week, so I'm gonna build my repository Usually like shooter games, and then racing games like uh, well Dirt. I like to play Dirt Rally, and I also like to play Gran Turismo, which is coming out next year for the PlayStation 5. Oh yeah, it is the stand. So it's it's made of plastic, but it has like kind of rubber around the edges. So that out of the way, and we have the HDMI cable right here. Good. They have the USB for the controller. All right, it's taking a while. All right, thank you for your patience. And this is the excuse me, let me turn on my other light. All right, hopefully that's better. All right, so just turn on the light just in time. Okay, so this is the wow. Oh my god, look at that controller. Okay, so this is the controller for the PS5, so you can see, and there's only one that came in with the system, so I bought another one. But this is good. This is matte white. Ooh, smells like electronics. Okay, ooh, I'm gonna get high on this one. Oh, one more. All right, one more. Oh, that smells good, guys. Okay, so I actually bought skin controller or skin protector for the PlayStation 5, so I'm gonna grab it really quick. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So what I have here is the main PlayStation 5 controller, and I also have the PS5 skin protector. So this is third party. So what I'm gonna do is install that. So let me know what the best color combinations. It's either the dark blue and white or this. I think we're gonna go with this, with the white controller, and then the red with the midnight black. All right, so we're back. Okay, we're gonna have to install this because I don't want the controller to, I want my stuff to last. All right, so the ergonomics of the PlayStation 5 controller is pretty great. There it is. Good grief. All right, so one PS5 controller down, and the white one, and then we're gonna go install the one for the black one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this one first, and then we're gonna install the other one after we unbox the main hardware here. So I'm gonna put this aside, and here it is. So we are going to unbox the main event of the show. Yeah, it's pretty that's pretty heavy. So oh my god, look at that, guys. So it's PS5 logo right there, white and black. Ooh, okay, let's settle this down. Okay, so we're gonna have to I have my blower right here, blow the dust off, keep it clean. Okay, we're just gonna have to take this out, and cool. Alright, so this is the PlayStation 5. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to mount it standing up, even though you can mount it on the side. What do you guys think? We're gonna go set it up in the TV. Alright, so that ends the unboxing video. I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions how I got the PlayStation 5, comment down below. Just like I said, I got this from PS5 Direct when they had a drop. I believe you can buy them now in stores, but still there's still shortages of PS5 because of, again, I think the scalpers are taking advantage of the conductor shortage. So if you have not gotten your PlayStation 5 yet, just watch for drops in Target, at PlayStation 5 Direct, GameStop, at Best Buy, Walmart. So yeah, I'm gonna go set this up. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.